Mr. Shivam Dhiman, your English teacher. Today's video is for class 8 and today's topic is clauses. So before beginning the video, I would like to explain you about the clauses and the difference between phrases and clauses along with the types of clauses that we are going to study about today. First of all, what clauses are? Clauses are those group of words with subject verb combination. Phrases are group of words without subject verb combination, and clauses are those group of words with subject verb combination. So clauses are group of words with subject verb combination and has a subject and predicate. Clauses have finite verb. Clauses have finite verb. Finite verb are those verbs that changes with the number of person of the subject and the change in tenses. As we know that finite verbs contains those form of verbs that changes with the subject if they are singular or plural, and if the tense is changed, then the verb is also changed. So clauses use finite verb. They use finite verb. And what are phrases? Phrases are a group of words that doesn't contain subject verb agreement. Now let us understand about the difference between phrase and clause by taking example. So students, look at the blackboard. I have written two sentences. First sentence is he likes a story with a moral in it. And the second sentence is he likes a story that has a moral in it. Both the sentences has some same meaning, but if we see the group of words we have used after the story, first one is with a moral in it. With a moral in it has doesn't have subject verb combination. They doesn't have subject verb combination, so it is a phrase. With a moral in it is a group of words which is a phrase. And if we take these words together with which doesn't give a complete meaning, and if we see this these group of words together, if we take these group of words together, that has a moral in it, conveys full meaning, and it is a clause, and it also has a helping verb, has, and also has a relative clause which is that. So, and it also remember that clauses join two sentences. Clauses join two sentences. He likes a story, and the other sentence is that has a moral in it. So clauses gives appropriate and complete meaning. Now let us understand about the three different types of clauses. Clauses are of three types: noun clause, adverb clause, and adjective clause. The three types of clauses are noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. These are the three types of clauses: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. As the name suggests, noun clause performs the function of noun. Adjective clause performs the function of an adjective and qualifies the noun or pronoun in the sentence or group of words. An adverb clause qualifies or modifies the noun, adjective, or another adverb in the sentence. Now I will make you understand the different types of three clauses with the help of some examples. So students, we were discussing about the clauses, and now I will tell you about the three clauses: noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clauses, and noun clauses. Noun clauses are those clauses that perform the function of a noun. They perform the function of a noun. They perform the function of noun clause perform the function of noun, and they use noun clause use that, which, what, whatever, whom, etc. words to begin the clause. Let us take an example. Ask her whatever she wants. Whatever we have been using, we are using whatever, and she wants whatever she wants. Always remember that clauses use subject verb combination in a sentence. Always remember that clauses use subject verb combination with them. Ask her whatever she wants. So here whatever she wants means कुछ भी वो जो भी उससे पूछो, जो भी वो चाहती है. तो whatever, whichever, whomever या whom, what, which, that words से begin होगा. ठीक है. Ram, second sentence is Ram believes that. Ram believes that ghosts exist. ghost exist. Ram believes that ghosts exist. So they are performing in some way they are performing the function of noun in the sentence. So they are called as noun clause. Ram believes that ghosts exist. राम मानता है कि भूत होते हैं. तो यहाँ पर एक तरह से जो फंक्शन है, यहाँ पर जो क्लॉज फंक्शन कर रहा है वो नाउन की तरह नाउन के लिए फंक्शन कर रहा है, इसलिए उनको हम नाउन क्लॉज कहते हैं. As because they are performing the function of noun in the sentence. Second is adjective clause. Second is our adjective clause. They perform the function of an adjective in the sentence. They are used to qualify a noun or pronoun, and they are relative clauses, and also use the word that, which, whom, what. Now let us understand about them by taking suitable examples. First example I am taking. The tower which is famously known as the Vijay Tower is the Qutub Minar. वो टावर जिसे विजय टावर के नाम से प्रमुखता जाना जाता है उसे हम कुतुब मीनार कहते हैं. तो here which is famously known as the Vijay Tower is adjective clause because it is somewhat qualifying a noun or pronoun which is Qutub Minar. Second example is the children who spoke truth got reward. The children who spoke truth got rewards. But वो बच्चे जो सच बोलते हैं उन्हें पुरस्कार मिलता है. उन्हें पुरस्कार मिलता है. तो who spoke truth is qualifying the noun which is children. So they are called as adjective clauses. Now our third type, the third type of clause is adverb clause. Adverb clause are used to modify a verb, adjective or another adverb in the sentence. They begin with subordinating conjunctions and they are used to modify the verb or adjectives. Now they also show that where the action is done, when the action is done, or the contrast or the time period of that action and how it is done in the manner of the work is done. It will rain when the sky would be dark. It will rain when the, बारिश तब होगी जब बादल काले होंगे, जब आसमान घना होगा या काला होगा। तो ये बता रहा है सेंटेंस की टाइम और द टाइम और वो समय जब कोई वर्क परफॉर्म होगी। तो एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस आर दोज क्लॉजेस दैट are used to modify the verb in the sentence. It will rain when the sky would be dark. She failed because she didn't work hard. She failed because she didn't work hard. तो अब यहाँ पे आपने एग्जाम्पल लिया she failed because she didn't work hard, वो फेल हो गई क्योंकि उसने मेहनत नहीं की थी। तो यहाँ पर जो सेंटेंस है when, because, ये क्या शो कर रहे हैं कि द एक्शन इज डन इन विच टाइम, when, in what manner, or during the contrast or to the place where they have been done. So adverb clauses shows the time, place, manner or place or the contrast or frequency of some work, and they can even qualify or modify or another adverb in the sentence. So this was the today's explanation of clauses and its types. I hope you must have understood about the chapter. Keep studying and keep saving yourself from the coronavirus while studying in your homes. Thank you for watching this video.